do the same thing, Jake. What did it say? Who cares? No, Jake. No. Don't. No, don't. That's bullshit. He's trying to distract you. Fuck off, Jake. Being stupid. Are you dumb? Why would he ever do that? Doesn't make any sense. I'm planting. Yeah, what the... He's coming out to the... Yeah, just camp right here. I think he's defusing it, dude. Kill him! Yes! We fucking beat a 40 in one team!